Hey guys, today we'll be drawing this beautiful Buddha painting in 10 minutes using vertical symmetry and radial symmetry. I have picked a very soothing and pleasant color palette from Design Seeds. We'll go to Actions, Canvas, Drawing Guide, Toggle On, Edit Drawing Guide, Symmetry, Options. Options is below the opacity slider, but it's hidden in the screen recording. You can see it on the left screen. And then choose Radial. You can set the opacity and thickness as per your choice and choose the drawing guide color and then press done. Now I have already added the palette from Design Seeds in my palette, so I'm going to pick a dark pink and draw a drop shape for the petal. Now I'm going to drag this color, and you can see on the left side that I only did it for one petal and it drew in all the sections and colored all the sections on its own because the drawing assist is on. Now I'm going to add another layer, choose a lighter pink, and I'm going to draw the same petal on the right side and fill it as well. And I'll repeat the same step. I'll choose another color, and on the same layer I'll draw one more petal on the left side of the first petal we drew. I haven't sped up this process, so you can do this along with me too. Now we'll go to adjustments and lower the opacity so that it looks more beautiful, because it will be see-through and it will make it look delicate. Now I have added a layer and I'll choose a green color because I want to draw the leaves. And we can drag this layer below the petal layer so that it doesn't overlap with the petals. I forgot to switch on drawing assist for this, so let's go back and tap on the layer and switch on drawing assist. And now we can draw it, and remember to draw a closed shape because we don't want our color to spill out. Now let's color this. I'll choose another shade of green and draw it on the other diagonal lines. Let's close the shape and drag the color in this as well. I'm pretty happy with how this is looking right now. Now I haven't actually planned how I'm going to draw this. I just thought of doing this and I started recording it. So I'm just going to draw some lines randomly, and you can create whatever pattern you feel like drawing or even follow the same pattern. I'm drawing the lines using the same colors which I've already used on my canvas. In my previous video we have already seen how we can pick colors using the modify tool, but another way to pick color is just pressing your finger on the screen and making the eyedropper tool appear, and then you can drag the tool color which you want to select and that color will be selected. So you can even see me doing that on the left side, left screen, where I'm just pressing my finger and the eyedropper tool appears. Now I'm dragging a darker pink and already colored pattern to change the color, because you can also recolor shapes and the elements using the same technique of dragging the color. Now I've added a layer and I want to add a background, so I took the layer at the bottom and I colored it and reduced the opacity of the layer so that the background is of a lighter color. And then I added another layer and made a circle which cannot be seen because it's hidden behind the petals and the drawing assist is not on, and I filled another color. Now I'm going to reduce the opacity of this circle as well. Now I'm going to go to Canvas, Edit Drawing Guide, and select vertical instead of radial and symmetry so that we have a vertical guideline. I'm not very sure if I want this to be the background. I'm just going to use the transform tool to make it bigger so that I get what I originally like. Now we can begin with the easy Buddha drawing. First I'm going to draw on the right side. I'll write the letter J or half U. Then I'll write a question mark for the ear and I'll make a curved line. It's also like writing 3. The neck, And now I'll just make a curved line for the earring and a bigger curved line around the earlier curved line, and lots of curved lines. I made one more for the eyebrows, and now we'll write the mirror image of C and U, half U for the nose, and a curved line again for the eyes, and I'll thicken it and make it broader in the middle so that it looks peaceful. We'll draw a line for the lips. Remember, only draw it on one side, then one mountain and a curved line for the lower lip. Now I'm just going to draw the bindi. I don't know what we call bindi in English. So you can just draw some pattern or whatever you feel like drawing. I'm making the eyebrows thicker too, and now we'll draw the hair. So I'm going to make some circles for the hair. I really enjoy doing this, so we'll do that. We'll add one more layer of circles, and I'm going to select the whole thing by selecting the transform tool and making it smaller so that we have space to add more hair.